Let's hear it. Welcome back to another DCE Parts video. Today we are back with a M340i with our 200 cell downpipe and our OPF Delete with a resonator. Today back with a stage 2 MHD tune, unlocked with auto tuner, XHP on the transmission, M340i. Let's hear it. Those shifts are so crisp, the XHP makes it sound so nice, but of course only because this car also has the 200 cell downpipe with the OPF Delete. Perfect setup like this. We truly recommend this setup for those who want the performance of your stage 2, do not want to have to drone when the valves are closed, put it back in comfort, into D, and everything settles down, just like it should. So as you can hear, we are cruising around, constant speed, and there's actually no rattling, no drone, super nice. But if you put it back into sport mode, manual, or you hear the overrun. We have also programmed a small burble in, which is all about half a second, so just to give the car a little bit more spice. Yes! Customer chose for MHD tune with auto tuner unlock, so hereby we confirm auto tuner and MHD will work together. Perfect solution for those who want to unlock the car, tune it with MHD and make sure that the unlock does not disappear. The auto tuner unlock is an unlock that is fixed, so there's no way to lose it by an update. Of course, if you update the car, which you shouldn't if you tune the car, but if you update the car, then at least you can program it back with the MHD. That was also one of the things that the customer took into consideration. He wanted to be able to flash the car if something happens abroad, for example software update or whatever, to make sure that he can drive the car because he has the MHD license. We are an MHD dealer, so we provide these licenses, we tune the car for the customer, and through us, we also make sure that the car gets dynoed, so we can give back the number that this car actually does. And as you can hear, a very crisp sounding car. It has the overrun, nothing too much, but I think just the thing that you need from a car like this. The car sounds so deep. It's perfect for those who want a little bit more enjoyment in the car. So I would say this is a lovely setup. And this was actually what the customer was looking for. A little bit more crispy notes, but not too much. We wanted to have the car to remain comfortable, especially because this is a touring. So if we shift up, put it back into comfort mode, we're now driving constant speeds. You do hear the rumble a little bit in the background, but that's expected. but it's also really bearable. The car is so silent, super happy. This is one of our most popular mid-pipes for the M340i's that we also sell to a lot of performance dealers, BMW dealers. Perfect solution for those who want more flow. Let's head back to the workshop and showcase you how the car sounds from the outside. As you can hear, the burble is not too much. We have chosen for a fairly soft one to make sure that we do not overdo it. Super happy. Thank you to the customer who has supported us for such a long time. From the very beginning, this was one of the first projects, styling wise. Then we went to the 200 cell downpipe, and today we have done the stage 2 tune at last. Super happy with the results.